Okay, so here we are again in another video. Today we had a pretty nice chilling day with really no trades. I like to tell you before the video starts because you can decide to stay or not. Of course, not always having trades is important. It's not always important. But well, it's interesting for you to know, and well. Of course, I did an analysis. So if you want to trade like me, if you want to trade like me or learn from this, well, you can look at it anyways. Okay. So well, first of all, we're gonna start with the DXY as always. Here we have the relevant liquidity H4 that I didn't mark up. So today on the DXY we took this relevant liquidity H4. It would it would have been a nice day to look for sells on EU and GU, and then for buys on USD/JPY, USD/CHF, and USD/CAD. Sorry, for sells and for buys in these ones. But we didn't have really nothing. Okay, so first of all, EU finally we went out from this range here. And now we broke this low to the downside. So we will see tomorrow if we have a break of this relevant liquidity here or we have a break of structure here. Okay, so well, it would be interesting to have some sort of movement. Tomorrow the FIBO will go from here to here if the price doesn't change. If we go down, I'm gonna put the FIBO from here to here, or if we go up and we break a structure, it will be from here to here or whatever. Okay, so yeah, just for you to know. Yeah, I'm gonna try to draw. I think it's really nice to explain. Okay, so here I don't have the brush. I don't know if it's a brush, I think. So yeah. Okay, so GU. On GU it's been pretty interesting because after this movement to the upside, the price is creating a lot of liquidity here, which well, I would love to see something like this and then going up to take these liquidities and try to look for some entries. But of course we could see something like this and then going down. Okay, I don't know, but it's nice to think about it. We didn't have a continuation trade as the 50% fee was here and the price didn't reach that level, but it's nice that it's creating liquidity here. It's respecting this low because it means that we are it's creating liquidity here, buyer's liquidity, so probably we'll take this and then have some sort of movement, or we will take all these liquidities tomorrow. We will see. Okay, then USD/JPY, we are still in this fucking huge range, creating a lot of buyer's liquidity in this case, in my opinion. It's like sellers, well, in these cases it creates liquidity on both places because we had the break of structure here, so these sellers coming in, sellers coming in, sellers coming in, sellers coming in here, but as we break structures, buyers start coming in too. So in these cases it is better to wait for and for a relevant liquidity, of course, to be taken. Maybe this one, or yeah, or maybe we create something else, but it is better to wait because when you have something like this, you have liquidity on both places and it can fuck you on both directions, really. So yeah, it is not good to enter. Yeah, so okay, we had the FIBO here. The FIBO goes from here to here. The 50% is here, and we can look for sales, for continuation sales. But the thing is that we had London here. This was Asia, so and I'm not going to take a continuation on New York, but yeah. I have to study it because sometimes it gives a continuation, but I don't want to confuse myself, so I prefer to have a continuation strategy for London and then a reversal strategy for New York. And yeah, but if I have data and I can look for something better, I'm gonna look for it. Okay. Well, this is not relevant anymore. So today, well, yesterday we took this relevant liquidity on H4 here, so it left this relevant liquidity on H4 down here. And today I was waiting for this 50% to be taken, but I don't think we had relevant liquidity here to the left. Yeah, we don't have it, so I wouldn't have looked for any trade here for continuation trades. And this afternoon it came close to this relevant liquidity on H4 here. It's nice when it reacts like this because it means it's creating liquidity and probably it's going to be taken, but we will see tomorrow and we will see where the ATR level is. Okay. And finally, USD CAD. In this case, we took the relevant liquidity here, but it reacted instantly, so we didn't reach the ATR level. That fucked me because this level is not useful for tomorrow, but well, I'm gonna draw here the round within H4 and we will see if tomorrow we have something here that could be interesting. And well, the next round equity on H4 is up here. Okay, so well, I'm gonna place it just for me to know when if we reach this level. Good, but USD CAD usually doesn't move that much, so yeah, we will see tomorrow. Okay, so well, this was my day. I hope you like it, and of course, see you tomorrow. Well, or Saturday or Sunday because it's Friday and I try to disconnect a little bit. Okay, so well, hope you like it, and of course, see you. Bye bye.